Historical significance: the United States Constitution, adopted in 1787 and ratified in 1789, stands as a cornerstone of American democracy. This document holds the distinction of being the oldest written constitution still in use today, cementing the United States' position as the world's longest-standing continuous democracy. The Constitution's enduring nature is a testament to its adaptability and the foresight of its framers. For over 2 centuries, it has guided the nation through periods of growth, conflict, and social change, maintaining its relevance and authority. The document's creation marked a pivotal moment in world history, establishing a new form of government based on the principles of popular sovereignty and individual rights. Its ratification process, involving extensive debate and compromise, set a precedent for democratic decision-making that continues to influence political processes globally. The foundation of democracy at its core. The Constitution establishes a system of checks and balances among the 3 branches of government: legislative, executive, and judicial. This structure is designed to prevent any single branch from becoming too powerful, ensuring a balance of authority and accountability. The legislative branch, consisting of the House of Representatives and the Senate, is responsible for making laws. The executive branch, led by the President, enforces these laws and conducts foreign policy. The judicial branch, headed by the Supreme Court, interprets the laws and ensures their constitutionality. This separation of powers has proven to be a robust framework for democratic governance, allowing for stability while also providing mechanisms for change and adaptation. It has weathered numerous challenges, from civil war to economic crises, demonstrating its resilience and flexibility. The Constitution also guarantees fundamental rights through the Bill of Rights. Added in 1791, these first 10 amendments protect essential freedoms such as speech, religion, and due process of law. They form the bedrock of individual liberties in the United States and have inspired similar protections in democracies worldwide. The Bill of Rights has been instrumental in shaping American society, influencing everything from legal proceedings to social movements. Its principles continue to be debated and interpreted, reflecting the ongoing dialogue between citizens and their government that is central to democratic life. Global influence. The U.S. Constitution's impact extends far beyond American borders. Many nations have modeled their own constitutions on the U.S. system, adopting principles such as separation of powers, checks and balances, and protected individual rights. Countries as diverse as Argentina, Japan, and South Africa have drawn inspiration from the U.S. Constitution when crafting their own governing documents. This influence is particularly evident in the structure of government and the enumeration of rights found in constitutions around the world. The document symbolizes the spread of democratic governance worldwide. Its emphasis on popular sovereignty and limited government has become a blueprint for emerging democracies, offering a model for nations transitioning from authoritarian rule to more representative forms of government. The Constitution's global impact is also evident in international law and diplomacy. Its principles of equal representation and protection of minority rights have informed international agreements and institutions, shaping the modern concept of human rights. Living document. Despite being written over 230 years ago, the Constitution continues to guide U.S. law and governance. Its enduring relevance is due in large part to its ability to adapt to changing times through the amendment process. To date, 27 amendments have been added to the Constitution, addressing issues ranging from voting rights to presidential succession. This process of amendment allows the document to evolve with society, ensuring its continued relevance and authority. The amendment process itself is a testament to the Constitution's democratic principles. It requires broad consensus, typically involving approval by 2/3 of both houses of Congress and ratification by 3/4 of the states. This high threshold ensures that changes to the Constitution reflect widespread support and careful consideration. Notable amendments include the 13th, 14th, and 15th Amendments, which abolished slavery, guaranteed equal protection under the law, and prohibited racial discrimination in voting. These changes fundamentally altered American society and expanded the Constitution's promise of liberty to a broader segment of the population. More recent amendments have addressed issues such as women's suffrage, 19th Amendment, presidential term limits, 22nd Amendment, and lowering the voting age to 18, 26th Amendment. Each of these changes reflects the evolving values and needs of American society. The Constitution's adaptability is not limited to formal amendments. It is also interpreted and applied by the courts, particularly the Supreme Court, which has the power of judicial review. This allows the Constitution to address new challenges and technologies not envisioned by its original authors. Continuous legacy. Unlike many other countries, the United States has never replaced its Constitution. This continuity makes it a unique historical achievement in governance, providing a stable foundation for the nation's legal and political systems. The Constitution's longevity is particularly remarkable given the dramatic changes the United States has undergone since its founding. From a small agrarian republic to a global superpower, The nation has evolved significantly, yet its fundamental governing document remains intact. This continuity has fostered a sense of national identity and shared values among Americans. The Constitution serves as a common reference point in political debates and social movements, with various groups appealing to its principles to support their causes. The document's endurance has also contributed to the stability of American institutions. While other nations have experienced frequent regime changes or constitutional crises, the U.S. system has remained relatively stable, allowing for peaceful transfers of power and gradual social progress. However, the Constitution's longevity does not mean it is without controversy. Debates over its interpretation and application continue to shape American politics and law. Issues such as the scope of executive power, the balance between state and federal authority, and the extent of individual rights remain subjects of ongoing discussion and legal challenges. These debates reflect the living nature of the Constitution, demonstrating its ability to remain relevant and responsive to changing societal needs and values. They also highlight the ongoing commitment of the American people to the principles of democratic governance enshrined in this historic document. As the United States continues to evolve and face new challenges, the Constitution remains a guiding force, providing a framework for addressing complex issues while preserving fundamental democratic principles. Its enduring legacy serves as a testament to the vision of its framers and the resilience of the American democratic experiment.